Hello friends, welcome again. Friends, are you the students of English language or linguistics? If yes, then this video is going to be very helpful to you because in today's video lecture we want to understand these two important terms, langue and parole. Friends, when you are studying linguistics or when you are studying critical theories during the 20th century, you come across one literary movement, one literary theory which is known as structuralism. And this theory has been developed by none other than Saussure, Ferdinand de Saussure. Ferdinand de Saussure was a Swiss linguist. He used to live in Switzerland and he became the father of structuralism, the father of semiotics. Saussure has been credited as the most important literary personality of the beginning of the 20th century as far as language and linguistics are concerned. And structural linguistics is based on the idea that language is a self-regulating and self-contained system. In this theory, we come across these two terms, langue and parole. Okay, Ferdinand de Saussure, after his death, means posthumously, his work, A Course in General Linguistics, was published in 1915 or 1916, right? This is nothing but the collection of the notes or class notes prepared by his students, which were published after his death, and there we come across these two terms. Now let's discuss what are these langue and parole. Friends, remember that language is one structure. Okay, so language always has some system of rules, right? Say for example, if you are talking about English language, then English has some structures, sentence patterns, okay, like subject, verb and object, use of articles, use of different tenses at different places. These rules make it a langue. Okay, so the system of rules that makes it possible for a person to understand or to know a language is known as langue. Langue. So langue is mainly the system of rules in any language. Okay, now what is parole? Parole is actually the outcome of our knowledge of the language. Okay, so the way a person speaks is known as parole. Say for example, right now I am using a language, I am speaking English language, so this is what you are listening to is called parole. Okay, but generally the language as a whole or the system of rules that we know is known as langue. Now langue does not change or changes very slowly, but parole changes faster. Why? Because parole is a speech, it is an outcome. It is the use of language which changes from person to person, from culture to culture, from society to society, and that's why parole is little bit different from langue. From these two pictures also you can understand that parole means the speech or the written form of the language which depends from person to person, which changes from person to person, but langue means the system of rules which have been established since ages in any particular language. So friends, I hope these two terms are clear to you. The next lecture after 3 days I am going to publish, and that lecture is on sign, signifier and signified. These three terms again come in structuralism. Meanwhile, you stay tuned and please share this video among your friends and classmates. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.